Here at Crestline, we help save lives.
Crestline is an ambulance and bus manufacturer here in Saskatchewan.
So we basically, here in Saskatoon, we build an ambulance from the box up. So we completely fabricate the box and then we mount it onto a brand new chassis.
We distribute buses across Canada, so we import from the US and then distribute them out to municipalities and care homes and schools across the country from coast to coast to coast.
My name is Kevin MacDonald. I'm the Director of Operational Excellence here at Crestline Coach. As the Director of Operational Excellence, my main goal is to improve the business processes here at Crestline to create a great company. Right now I'm focused primarily on manufacturing, but the goal is to expand into product development, sales, all the other functions of the company to make a really effective company that can deliver more and more value for the customer. Spend a lot of time coaching and mentoring the team. Coaching the team includes helping people solve problems, coaching them on root cause problem solving, people interaction, behavioral skills, how to be more effective, right? You could be looking at technical solutions or just human nature and psychology.
My name is Daryl Krell. I'm Senior Purchaser at Crestline Coach. I've been in this role for just over 10 years now. A purchaser is responsible for mainly having materials in time for production to use it. It requires a lot of purchase orders. I do know that I have made year-to-date, calendar year, over 4,600 purchase orders, and I've spent $19 million. Not out of my pocket, thankfully. We're a supplier to our customer, which is production, and we need to order in parts and make sure that the parts are there for production to build the ambulance when it is there in the schedule.
My name is Rolheiser, and I'm the current platform engineering manager here at Crestline. I work with a team of engineers and technologists that provide product designs to the production floor for them to build. We provide drawings and schematics out to around 250 production staff daily. So I do a lot of scheduling and project management for the team that I work with. I also work with other cross-functional teams with communication and to gain alignment within the cross-functional teams. And I mean, my main goal is to remove any barriers for my team to ensure that they can be as successful as they want to be.
I'm Scott Frey. I am the Director of Business Development for the bus division here at Crestline Coach. My job title as Director of Business Development doesn't really describe what I do. My job is developing business, but on a kind of a grand scale. So trying to strategize and understand how to grow our bus division within Crestline and across Canada. So I manage salespeople from coast to coast, and then I also have a team here at Saskatoon that I manage and spend time with key accounts and trying to strategize to find ways to continue to grow Crestline and to grow our brand in Canada and then also with our partners in the US. I don't have a typical workday, and that's why I love my job. When I come to work every morning, I have a general guideline of what the day is going to entail, but it's never the same. And for me, a very type A personality, grew up playing a lot of sports and doing a lot of different things. It really suits my personality style. So I can have a bunch of meetings during the day. I can have conversations with my team members about a variety of topics leading towards, one common goal. And that's what I really love about it. It's a team of individuals, and we all come together to achieve a goal. And if you've got a sports background like I do, that's what you want. It is amazing for me, and I love it.
The skills and characteristics that a successful person needs to have, there's always obviously a technical aptitude that you need to have, but I actually encourage people to be curious, trying to always understand what's going on, not judging. We are where we are, and if we accept that and have a desire to move forward, you can make a lot of great improvements.
Adaptability and creativity are two of the major things. Confidence in your abilities and resilience with just the amount of change that happens, especially in the world of technology that we live in now. Those for sure would be key things. And just the desire to grow and to learn.
Definitely computer skills, computer science, any type of courses that you could take. Mathematics is really important too. Organizational skills, prioritizing tasks is a very good quality.
I think you need to be resilient. in life, and learn how to, tomorrow's another day. The sun is going to come up, despite what you might think the day before. It will come up. And then the other thing, I coach baseball as well, and I keep telling our athletes, no different than I tell my team here, we need you to be adaptable, not adapted. And if you're adaptable and you can change on a moment's notice and be willing to learn new things and try new things, you can be really, really successful. But if you just adapt to something and then never want to change again, it's not going to be easy. Just learn to be adaptable, and that change is okay.
What I love about working at Crestline or in manufacturing in general is there's a new problem every day. You're never bored. You solve a problem or complete a project, and there's always another new challenge that you can pick up, because we're always looking to continuously improve.
There are three major things that I love about my work. One being the people that I work with. The people that I work with really want to do a good job, and you can see their dedication and the love for what they do every day, and that helps me continue to do what I do every day. The second thing is the fact that we are helping communities by giving them a product. For me, that moves mountains. And the third is the fact that we get to see the end product, and that is exciting, just to be able to touch and feel it.
Just being part of an ambulance manufacturer, knowing that we are shipping units out that play a bigger role in saving people's lives, that's the best part of working here.
With our company, job prospects are outstanding. We are growing like crazy. All lines, all aspects of our business are growing, and will continue to grow. Saskatchewan has so much to offer, and I'm a proud Saskatchewan guy that grew up on the farm and moved into town, and I didn't have to leave. And I think it's important for kids to know that your path can go so many different ways, and it can all be right here at home. Whether it's with Crestline here or with other manufacturers.
Between mining and some of the other industries, there's lots of transferable skills that you can grow.
Saskatchewan has a lot of mining and ag, and that continues to grow because we need to continue to provide machines for people to be able to do that and feed the world.
Advice I'd give to anybody trying to get into the industry would be to keep an open mind. Always be willing to try new things so that you don't get stuck into one role and you lose opportunities.
Employers really notice when you show up to work and you work hard.
Get out of your comfort zone. Do things that are different. And I've always kind of lived by the mantra that if the crowd is running one way, it's okay to try to run the other and try something different.
Whatever you decide to do in life, do what you love. Make sure it's something that you are proud of every day. And that's what I found here at Crestline.